This is my 1977 Mercedes 450 SLC. It was my grandfather's and then my uncle's, who passed it on to me after sitting in his garage for the last 25 plus years. The car had spent the last 25 years sitting in my uncle's garage, which meant it was covered in sawdust, cobwebs, spiders, and all sorts of general dirt. We're going to clean that off right now with the help of my nephew and have a good starting point for when we get into the mechanical work. Dusting.
You may do the rest.
Okay.
Rust on the outside, that rusted through.
At this point, we found a number of spider colonies that were populating the hood mat that didn't survive, so we're cleaning that off now. After a quick afternoon clean, next we'll be getting into the engine bay and seeing what kind of condition the motor is in. Stay tuned.